box from Purple. A lot of free gifts, low light, right? So hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be an unboxing video, a very fun unboxing video, you can say. I am doing a mini Purple haul. So the products I ordered this time is like very different. Like I never used that brand before except one, so it's gonna be a fun video for me as well. So I'm very excited to this video. Before getting into this video, if you guys are new to my channel, if you guys are new here, so make sure to subscribe and hit that button, so every time I post any videos you get notified right away. So yeah, let's get into the video. A lot of products are there inside, you can see. So first one we have is this face wash. This again is a very favorite brand of mine. It is Dot and Key, and I never used this cleanser before, so I am excited to see the results. So it has salicylic acid and green tea, which basically used for acne prone skin and oily skin. So mine is super oily skin, so I am excited to see what this works on me, on my skin. Yeah, so moving on. So the second product we have is the bodywise's 1% salicylic acid body wash. Okay, so the reason why I ordered this is I am recently getting a lot of back acne. So yeah, I think it's this product maybe gonna reduce it. So I heard a lot of positive reviews from this. So yeah, let me see. So the last but definitely not the least, we have Chemist Tech Play underarm roll-on. So it is, it says it helps control body odor and prevents underarm darkness. So yeah, I am also counting onto this. So now my favorite part begins. It is all the freebies I got. So first up we have is this body lotion. This body lotion from bodywise. It is 10% urea body lotion. It is so tiny, but let me see how it feels. So I am definitely using it. It is so travel friendly and so cute. Yeah. And next up we have is this illuminating sheet mask. It's a pearl sheet mask, which unfortunately I damaged. See, but it's okay. I will be using this right after this video. Okay, so yeah, I will definitely review this also. Okay, this we have this Good Vibes mm, Gold Vitamin C sheet mask. It says it gives you bright glow and it is loaded with a lot of antioxidants. So I am excited to see how it works. And it has niacinamide, glycolic acid, blah blah blah. So yeah, I am also excited for this. So these are all the products I ordered recently. So this is the first time I am doing some haul video, so I don't know how it is. I don't know how it, like how I reviewed the products, but yeah, it was pretty fun. So I hope you guys also enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, we'll see you in my next one. Yeah, okay, bye.